Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Portugal. On the menu is shrimp Mozambique. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up the oil in the brazier. Add the onion and saute. Add the garlic and a little bit of red pepper and saute some more. Add the shrimp and saute for about 30 seconds. Add all the wonderful spices. Add the stock and stir. Add the coconut milk and stir to combine. The rice is ready. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.